Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the unit 3 complete explanation of the subject HRM. Okay, so unit 3 name is HR training and development. So if you watch this video clearly, means whatever the type of question they might be asking from this unit, you can easily score full marks, you can easily attempt the questions. Okay, so the first important question is various methods of training. This is the most repeated question, as you can see. So training methods are classified into two types okay, one is off the job training, next one is on the job training So in the off the job training, there are different things like case study, simulation, design thinking, behavior modeling, business games. These are all things you are having. In the on the job thing means job rotation, job instructions, role play, demonstration, okay, psychodrama, apprehensionship, this type of things you are having. See, when you are having this many side points, means here in this off training, remember any 4 or 3. Here also remember any 4 or 3. Okay, so total it should be like 6 to 8 points minimum you need to learn it. Okay, so first in the off job training means before the workplace, what are the training they will give. In that, vestibule training is nothing about the creation of actual working conditions in the classroom. For example, in a classroom, if they are asking you to prepare a real time project, that is nothing about the vestibule training. Okay, based on the real activities. Next one, simulation is nothing about it, they will give the real time situation, based on that they will give the training to the people. Next one, case study is nothing about the, if employees explains, for example, they will tell one story and they will give some incident, how employees is reacting, based on that what are the situations they are doing, so what are the thesis they are going to do it in the case study is important. Okay, next one, design thinking is nothing about the problem solving approach. Okay, so whatever the design thinking we are having, based on the real time situations they will solve the problems. Next one, behavior modeling is nothing about the trainers provide a model of behavior to perform, how you need to react, how you need to perform in the difficult task in the organization. Like that also they will give the training, behavior training, like that we will get to know. Okay, so next one, they will ask you to participate in the business games, so that it will improvise your memory and it will be helpful for you to in the organization also. Okay, so these are the things you are having. Any I have explained 6, no, any 3 or 4 remember in this of the job training. Next one, on the job training, in that first you are having JIT, that is nothing about the job instruction training is nothing about the giving the instructions. Okay, giving the instructions, making the like making the content about the things in the organizational jobs, that is nothing about the job instructions training. Next one, job rotation, so every 3 months or every 6 months the employee need to rotate the job rotations also, that is also one of the main important thing they will do in the training. Next one, apprenticeship is nothing about the whatever the comparisons are there, whatever the things are there in the job experience, that will be helpful you to perform it. Okay, so these are the various things you are having in the off and on side job training so that is most important answer. Next one, you are having HR accounting, that is nothing about the HRA is nothing about the human resource accounting is nothing about the giving and measuring the data about the HR, communicating the information about the HR. Okay, storing and communicating the activities about the HR is nothing about the definition of the HRA, human resource accounting. So it is a modern concept where it will be helpful you to achieve your future services. right? So it will be helpful in the recruitment process, training process, etc. So what are the objectives of HRA? HRA will be helpful you to get the information in the organization. It will be helpful the productivity and profitability of the firm. It will be helpful you to run the organization smoothly. Yes, it will be helpful for you to understand the forecast, the future presence. Yes, so these are all the various objectives or goals of a HRA. Got it? So that is also one of the main important concept you are having, ma. So HRA concept and training concept, both concepts, out of these two concepts, so definitely there will be one question in your question paper. Okay, so that is also very important. This type of laws, if you want to skip, means you can skip, ma. Okay, if you are perfect with the job training and the previous answer training and the job analysis, everything, no need to learn these models, because for these models it is not much important. HRA and training is important, the topics, and HR audit also one of the important concept. It might be useful for 2 marks also. So audit is nothing about the giving the transactions which is completed, analyzing your transactions whether it is correct or not. Okay, how effective it will be helpful for the HR management. Yes, so that is main important concept, ma. HRA audit is nothing about the giving the clearance check. Okay, clearance check to the prospecting things. That is nothing about the objectives of the HR audit. Okay, so that's it, ma. These questions is most important in unit number 3. So training, okay, training, job analysis, this type of concepts, HRA concept, HR audit concept, HR accounting concepts, these concepts you be perfect for your final examination, it will be more than enough. Okay, I hope that you have got clarity. If you are having any further doubt, let me know in the comment section. All the best for your examination as well as your preparation. See you all in the next video. Bye bye everyone.